During the first stage or the Old Stone Age, the Byatis were nomadic hunters, gatherers living in caves and used basic stones and sharp woods as weapons. During this period, they used rice straw or leaves as clothing. Stage 2, use of woven clothes. During this period, the Byatia women wear two-piece clothing, one for chest wrapper and the other wrapped around skirt. The Byatia men wear one piece of cloth called tarbing trip or the loincloth wrapped around the hips to cover the genitals. During this period, men started using spears and arrows as weapons. Stage 3. During this stage, both Byatia men and women started wearing woven clothes with beautiful designs to symbolize its unique culture and tradition. This costume evolved during the stay in Myanmar, Kampot and Rum, and continued till they entered Mizoram. During this period, 1200 AD, a powerful muscular Byatia man named Lamvira and his friends had already entered Assam and Meghalaya and left their imprint in the form of stone relics like Lung Zubel, Lung Lian Ipun, etc. and are still found today. Stage 4. Women wore more longer woven cloth wrapped around the chest till the foot heel, and men wore daya, which is a knee-length lightweight white cloth worn around the waist. During this period, the Byatia people had already entered wearing Ram Tripura, leaving behind the place like Saitual, Saipum and Rengtil. They had also learned the art of using bow and catapult. It was during this period that our ancestor had accepted the Devi form of worshipping. The fifth stage, or introducing a new form of attire. During the fifth stage, women wore tops or shirt and long wrappers with design wrapped around from the chest, and ratai, which is a headgear worn on the head, and the men wore shorts. The sixth stage, the Byatia women clothed themselves with tops and wrappers. The men wore long pants. During this period, a Byatia man named Ku Thaichong Walathyang Lai from Nura village became the first Christian among the Byatia community. From then on, the Byatia people stepped their journey from wilderness to light. Stage 7, Modernization Era. The Byatia people have transitioned themselves from wilderness to civilization. They evolved themselves with better clothing, with fine hues and beautiful design. The design in our traditional clothes symbolize our valor, unique culture, and unity. Here we see the fusion stage where traditional designs blends beautifully with modern fashion.